Exploring aspects of the novel, plot, character, and narrative modes. Aspects of the novel I. Objectives. Understand the key elements of plot, character, and narrative modes in a novel. Explore different types of plots and characters. Examine methods of characterization and their significance in storytelling. Identify various narrative modes and their impact on the reader's experience. Introduction. Welcome to Unit 2 of our exploration into the various aspects of the novel. In this unit, we will delve into the fundamental building blocks of storytelling, plot, character, and narrative modes. These elements form the backbone of any novel and play a crucial role in shaping the reader's experience. Plot. Plot refers to the sequence of events that make up a story. It is the framework upon which the narrative is constructed, providing structure and coherence to the storyline. A well-developed plot captures the reader's attention and drives the story forward, creating tension, conflict, and resolution. Types of plot. Plots can vary widely in complexity and structure. Some common types of plots include 1. Linear plot. Events unfold in chronological order, with a clear beginning, middle, and end. 2. Nonlinear plot. Events occur out of chronological sequence, often using flashbacks or parallel narratives to tell the story. 3. Episodic plot. The story is divided into separate episodes or vignettes, each with its own self-contained narrative arc. 4. Circular plot. The story ends where it began, creating a sense of closure and symmetry. Character and characterization. Characters are the individuals who inhabit the world of the novel. They drive the plot forward through their actions, thoughts, and interactions with others. Characterization refers to the process of creating and developing characters in a story. Types of characters. Characters can be classified into various types based on their role and function within the narrative. Some common types of characters include 1. Protagonist, the central character around whom the story revolves. 2. Antagonist, the character or force that opposes the protagonist, creating conflict and tension. 3. Round characters, characters who undergo significant development and change throughout the story. 4. Flat characters, characters who remain relatively unchanged and one-dimensional. Characterization. Characterization is the process of bringing characters to life through vivid description, dialogue, and actions. It allows readers to form emotional connections with the characters and invest in their journey. Methods of characterization. Authors employ various methods to flesh out their characters and make them memorable. Some common methods of characterization include 1. Direct description. The author explicitly describes the character's physical appearance, personality traits, and background. 2. Indirect characterization. The author reveals the character's traits through their actions, dialogue, and interactions with others. 3. Showing versus telling. Rather than telling readers about a character, authors show their traits through their behavior and choices, allowing readers to draw their own conclusions. Narrative modes. Narrative mode refers to the method or perspective from which a story is told. It determines the relationship between the narrator, characters, and reader, shaping the overall tone and atmosphere of the narrative. Types of narrative modes. 1. Third-person narrative mode. The narrator is an external observer who can provide insights into multiple characters' thoughts and feelings. 2. First-person narrative mode. The narrator is a character within the story, recounting events from their own perspective. Third-person narrative mode. In third-person narrative mode, the narrator is not a character in the story but an outside observer who can provide an objective viewpoint on the events unfolding. This perspective allows for greater flexibility in storytelling, as the narrator can switch between different characters' perspectives and provide insights into their thoughts and motivations. First-person narrative mode. In first-person narrative mode, the story is told from the perspective of a character within the story, using pronouns like I and me. This narrative mode offers a more intimate and subjective view of the events, as readers experience the story through the eyes of the narrator. However, it also limits the reader's perspective to that of the narrator, potentially obscuring other characters' motivations and actions. In conclusion, plot, character, and narrative mode are essential elements of any novel, working together to create a compelling and immersive reading experience. By understanding these aspects of storytelling, readers can gain a deeper appreciation for the craft of writing and the art of storytelling. Join us as we continue our exploration into the intricacies of the novel in the following units.